Okay, turn it on.
Over 10 million pints of Guinness are consumed every day in over 120 countries, leaving people drinking the beautiful stout in almost every time zone. It's pretty amazing to think that when you include every tap handle on the planet, there's probably always Guinness being poured out of a tap at every second of the day. An endless flow of Guinness.
Sisyphus peered into the mist, a stone's throw from the precipice paused. Did he jump or did he fall as he gazed into the morning mist? Did he raise both fists and say to hell with this and just let the rock roll? Let it roll, let it crash down low. There's a house down there, but I lost it long ago. Let it roll, let it crash down low. See my house down there, but I lost it long ago.
In 2020, it had been determined that men with bushy mustaches lose over 160,000 pints of Guinness each year due to their bristles. It's the only reason you'll never see me with facial hair. The Open Gate Brewery is located in the West Loop of Chicago. No, it didn't sign a 9,000-year lease like the original one did in Dublin, but it's safe to say that they aren't leaving anytime soon. The Guinness Company plans on utilizing this beautiful building to brew new beers to accompany their flagship brew. They don't want to be known as someone who's a one-beer wonder. The brewery is open every day, including brunch on the weekends that starts at 9. The staff is friendly, and the bartenders certainly know how to pour a fantastic pint. It may sound lame and corny to say this, but throughout my visit of 22 Irish pubs in the Chicago area, the Open Gate Brewery served me the best pint of Guinness out of all of them, and it wasn't even close. Not only was the pour a perfect one, but the head was so rich and thick and creamy that the first few sips tasted like you were indulging into a cake. There's not a lot to dive into here when it comes to giving it a pub rating, as it's not really a place that I typically stumble into regarding the Drunken Mallard agenda. The gift shop hustled about $85 out of me. The toiletries definitely left me with a lasting impression. You can get here via the Blue Line, accompanied by a short walk, so if you're staying in a hotel within the downtown area, then I definitely recommend giving this place a visit, but don't make it a priority.
It's a piece of crap. It doesn't work.